Welcome to your core workout. Today you'll only need 2 to 3 pound weight. We're going to start on all fours in a cat and cow. So come down to your hands and knees. Inhale, open your chest, and then exhale, round all the way back. So just find some space and movement in your back. Inhale and open. Exhale, round back. And linger in any spot that feels like it needs a little more attention today. Exhale, rounding back. Good. 2 more breaths here. Finding your breath. Moving into your back body. Last one. And all the way back. Great. Good. Come back to all fours. We're going to take a bird dog. So brace your core on your exhale. Without shifting to the right, lift your left knee off the floor. Good. So go ahead and find that core deep bracing. Extend your left leg all the way back and then reach your right arm all the way out. Good. Take 5 breaths here, engaging in that deep core. Find your rib cage back. A little bit of a tailbone tuck. That deep core is drawing in. We'll add some movement to this. We'll do 5 reps. We're going to inhale, bring the elbow and knee to meet. Exhale, extend all the way out. Inhale in. We're working on that bracing so the core is staying engaged on your inhale and on your exhale. Good. We've got 2 more here. Stay connected in that deep core. Good. Right hand, left knee down and switching sides. Brace your core. Without shifting to the left, lift your right knee off the floor. Feel that deep core engagement. Send your right leg back. Left arm reaches out. Good. Bring your back up. Right? So really engage in that deep core from your ribs. Then lift your leg from the back of your hips. We'll add some movement. Inhale. Exhale, press out. Practice that core bracing. Go as slow as you need to find the integrity of the core working throughout the whole movement. Good. Especially if you're feeling this in your lower back. Air towards a little more roundedness in your back, especially as you're extending out. All right, get the lower core on board. Last one here. Good. Left hand, right knee down. Sit back on your heels. Bring your fingertips towards your toes. Scoop your hips up. Open your chest and open through your hip flexors. Good. One more breath here. We're coming into a side plank. We're going to try full side plank this week. So drop your hips down. We're going to come onto your left side first, the left hand down. And let's come into a plank first, so plank position. If you are still doing plank on your knees, that's totally fine, right? So plank you can do on your knees, side plank you can do on your knees also. So start here. If you're in full plank, you can come to full plank, and then we're going to rotate towards the left and reach all the way back up, right? So ribs are down. If you're on your knees, you can go to a side plank here. That's great too, right? We're going to work on that deep breath, whichever position you're in. I want you to take really full breaths into your core. Breathe into your back. Exhale, deep breaths into your core. Good. Bring those top ribs down a little bit. Inhale into your back. Exhale. Good. Press down through the hand on the floor. One more breath. And exhale. Good. We're going to go over to the other side. So come back through plank, either on your knees or full plank, right? Use integrity here. Set up well with your core. Engage and then rotate towards the right, reaching your left arm up, right? So you can be with one knee down or you can have both legs up. Wherever you are practicing right now is great. Take your top hand onto your ribs, drop your ribs down so you're breathing into your back, right? I'm showing you guys the back body so you can see what's happening in my back, right? Good. Deep breaths into your core. If you have that bottom knee down, stay here. Press that bottom hand into the floor to give you some serratus work on that bottom arm. 2 more breaths here. 1 more breath. Good. Go slowly back to plank with control. Excellent. Good. Stand all the way back on your heels. Roll the wrists out. Excellent. Come down onto your back. We're going to work on some modified bicycles. So roll down, come onto your back. Find neutral in your pelvis. Rock forward and back on your spine. Let go of any tension that might have crept in there. If you need to draw your knees into your chest and rock side to side, you can do that too. And then drop your feet down to the floor. Good. So options with the head. You can leave the head on the floor for the whole thing. If you want a little more, if you tend towards rib flaring, if you want a little more intensity, you can lift your head off the floor, right? So hands behind your head, lifting up from the bottom of your ribs. If this bothers your neck at all, bring your head back down to the floor. All right, so we're going to bring the head up here. Good. So I want you to think of dropping your ribs down towards your pelvis. And we're going to alternate one knee in at a time. So your right shoulder is going to go toward your left knee. So left knee comes in, right shoulder lifts. Drop it back down. Left shoulder, right knee. And drop it back down. I want you to think of bringing rib towards the hip. Good. If your head is on the floor, you can bring your arm to your knee. Right? So you're alternating sides. Still getting that rib movement. Right? This is obliques all the way. Go slowly and control that movement as that foot comes back in contact with the floor. Exhale. Good. Exhale. Press. Yeah, so if your head is on the floor, you can reach beyond that knee. It'll help you get a little more core engagement. Good. Go slowly and with the good intentions. Yes, right rib towards left hip. Exhale left. Brace on the way down. Last 4. 1, 2. And if your head is off the floor, 3. You're here. 4. Good. Excellent. Drop your feet down. Lift your hips into a bridge. Send your hips up. Press your upper body and your upper back into the floor. Upper arms into the floor. Back of the head into the floor. Good. Drop all the way back down. Grab your weight. And we're going to brace in the core again. So take an inhale. Take it in your left hand. We're going to reach the right knee up over your hips. We'll take a dead bug. So brace your core. Keep that right hand on your belly just so you can see what's happening. We're going to inhale here. Breathe into your back. Exhale. Arm and leg extends. Inhale. Bring it back to the center. So you got to brace, right? Exhale out. Bring it back in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, brace, breathe into your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Go as slow as you need to, again, for control. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring it back to the center and switch sides. Good. Right foot down. Weight in your right hand. Left knee comes up. Brace the core. If you find that that range of motion is this is too wide or too hard for your core to handle, you can just pause here, right? You don't have to go to the full extent of that extension. All right, so we're going to inhale here. Brace that core. Exhale, arm and leg extend. Inhale, bring it back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. It's a great opportunity to breathe. Practice breathing into your back while you're bracing that core. Good. Inhale. Exhale to extend. Feel around in that core. Make sure it's working. Good. Last 3 here. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Yes. Good. Bring it back to the center. Fantastic. All right. Put your weight off to the side. You're going to come over onto your belly. So lay on your chest. All the way down. Hands are down by your hips on the floor. Palms are facing down. Head is on the floor. Glutes are relaxed. We're going to inhale, lift everything up off the floor. Head, neck, chest, arms, and legs. So make sure that your pubic bone is pressing into the floor. Stay here. You're going to stay here for 5 breaths. Drop your chin towards your chest. Lift from the back of your glutes, your hamstrings, through your toes. Fingertips are reaching back. It's called Supermans, right? Imagine you're Superman. Dun, da, da, da. Bring those ribs back. Good. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Drop all the way down. Turn your head to one side. Breathe into your back. Good. Awesome. Good. All right. Bring your forehead back down. Turn the palms down. We're going to lift all the way back up again. Exhale. Good. Now we're going to hold here just for 5 seconds and then lower all the way back down. Don't turn your head to the side. We're going to come right back up. Exhale, lift. Hold. 1, 2. Keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Drop all the way back down. Good. Relax fully. Exhale, lift. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop all the way back down. Good. Breathe in. Exhale, lift. Keep breathing while you're up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop all the way back down. Good. We got 3 more here. Exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop all the way back down. You should not feel this in your lower back. Exhale, lift. If you feel it in your lower back, bring those legs a little lower. Use your glutes to lift. 3, 4, 5. Drop all the way back down. Good. Last one. Exhale, lift. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Lower all the way back down. Awesome. Good. Shake it up. Turn your head to the other side. Breathe into your back. Good, good. All right. Both hands underneath your shoulders. Come up into a plank. So we're going to do a plank practice really quick here. So wherever you are in your plank practice, if your knees are on the floor, stay here. You can totally practice here. If you want to play around with lifting your knees off the floor, just make sure you get that full connection. Puff through your mid-back, right? All right. So we're going to count to 30 here. You can come out of your plank for a second. We're going to set up. We're not there yet. Come forward into plank. Set up well. And here we go. Either stay in half plank or come into full plank with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Keep breathing. Keep that balance of core engagement while you're inhaling and exhaling. Press to your feet. Good. Puff through your back as you're inhaling. Exhale. Deep core left. Yes. Push that floor away. Deep breaths. Nice. Make that breath strong. You got it. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep breathing. 6, 2, 1. Awesome. Drop your knees down. Good. Sit back on your heels. Bring your fingertips towards your toes. Scoop your hips up. Open up. Awesome. Yes. Good, good, good. Fantastic. All right, we're coming back down to your chest for one round of Supermans, and then we will be done. Come on down. Palms face the floor. Right, relax your glutes, relax your legs. Lift up. We're going to set up in that Superman first. So lift up. I want you to think of extending back more than crunching up and trying to lift, right? So you're using your glutes, using your hamstrings. Your mid-back is working. Your low back is not bothering you at all. Press your pubic bone down into the floor. Good. Inhale, drop all the way down, fully release. We're going to exhale, come up for a hold of 5 seconds. Exhale, come up. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, drop down, fully release. Exhale, lift, hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop down. Good. Exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop down. Good. Think extension over lift. Exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin stays back. Drop down. Last one. Exhale and lift. Chin stays down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Drop all the way down. Rest your head to the side. Breathe into your back. You can wiggle out your hips. Again, take your hands underneath your shoulders. Press back. We'll go into a puppy dog. So both arms forward. Take your time going into this. Lay your forehead on the floor. Your hips are above your heels. Big deep breaths into your back. Good. One more breath here. Awesome. Good. Coming all the way back up. Sit back on your heels. We'll take this stretch one more time. Scoop your hips up. Open through your chest. Shins down. Drop your hips down. Roll those shoulders out. Take a side-to-side twist. So let go of any tension in your neck and shoulders. Shake it out. Nice work.